Hello and welcome back. I've gone a little deeper down the rabbit hole and acquired this, the Gmmk Pro. Oh, Gmmk Pro. The next level of keyboard existence. We have ascended to we fill your hole in the life that you live with keyboards. It's an interesting idea because the first build video was the Gmmk Compact, which I still think is a lovely, lovely little keyboard. But as a main driver, I need something a little bit bigger. And so this one was a lovely candidate. Glorious claim that this keyboard is in a league of its own. Well, it says so on the box. That can be interpreted in different ways, so let's find out which way they mean it. So here is the box, and it looks really, really gamer-y, but, you know, fair enough. The keyboard has the US Ansi layout, 83 keys including the rotary knob, a gasket-mounted construction, a CNC aluminum body, pre-lubed goat stabilizers, a modular hot-swappable PCB, a removable USB-C cord, and key rollover, 16.87 million colors in the RGB lighting, a 6-degree typing angle. The dimensions are 43mm at the highest point, 19mm at the lowest, and it is 135mm deep. It weighs a quite hefty 1.6 kilograms. And look at this. It comes with free Gateron Yellows. Okay, it doesn't actually come with free Gateron Yellows. I just got a little bit impatient because I'd heard quite a bit about wonkily lubed stabilizers, so I wanted to be certain that they felt okay. Therefore, I tried a few. Good news, I got a good specimen of a keyboard, and they were just fine. Anyway, the switches I'll use are the Gateron Yellows. They are stock and unlubed because I haven't been able to acquire any lube as of yet. All stock, they sound like this. They feel very smooth and I have no complaints really. I also think they look great, but they won't be seen under the keycaps, so oh well. Anyway, let's get the show on the road and insert the switches. And now the keycaps. The ones I will use for this build are the Shiroi Japan in a cherry profile. I wanted to create something simple, a pure black and white build, and these look so crisp and clean that they just don't quit. The printing is fine, but there are some ragged edges around some keys, so I guess you can't really say that the quality is top notch. But then again, neither is the price. So let's get those on too. That is one sleek looking keyboard. It plants itself on the desk and sits there like a wonderful behemoth. 1.6 kilograms is a lot, let me tell you that much. It weighs a whole lot more than you think. The light down the side looks great too, and blinks when caps lock is on. Doesn't bother me, but apparently it bothers some people. However, one problem that I have found is that it tends to get a bit warm every now and then. And that's a bit strange, but okay, we'll just let that slide. The control knob is very handy. I happen to love control knobs, but I later decided to switch it out for a white one for some added extra accent. I think it looks much, much better. I also added some of the novelty keys down the side that I mainly use as media buttons, and the lowest one is the almighty delete key. I just think that from every angle, this keyboard looks fantastic. This has become my daily driver. It looks brilliant, feels brilliant, and even though I haven't modded anything, the sound is good too. So I'll leave you now with a sound test. Thank you very much for watching.